The whole day is spent in the street during Fallas, and Valencia is one big party. People take to the street in a city overrun by the resounding party. At night even more so, though hard to believe, with street parties, concerts of popular music and the castillos, castle or firework display. Fallas is an irresistibly playful and exceptionally chaotic street party which goes on as long as there are people. Visitors may find it hard to believe their eyes in a festival of 20 square kilometers with innumerous parties lasting more than 100 hours non-stop. Firework displays can be seen in many parts of the world, but in Valencia during Fallas one has the opportunity to see perhaps the best. Of all the fireworks displays let off at the magic hour of midnight on each of the 4 main days of Fallas, the most important is the one held on the eve of the day of San Jose. On the evening of the 18th of March, the Nigth de Foc, Night of Fire, is celebrated with an extraordinary firework display called a castillo, castle, in which 2,500 kilos of pyrotechnical material are let off into the sky above the Alameda, turning it into an indescribable spectacle of light, fire and gunpowder. Thousands of sparkling lights of every colour rise up to form huge palm trees in the sky. More than 300 pyrotechnical devices make up a castillo, including shells and rockets of every kind. On this one night, the number of spectators can reach more than 100,000.